Welcome to Sutures, an application dedicated to enhance the surgeon-patient communication about gastrointestinal procedures. This video is a part of a tutorial series to show you how Sutures works. In this tutorial, we will see how to use the tools available in Sutures to reproduce surgical procedures. Let's start by the Add Tumor tool. It is the button located here in the right bottom of the screen. To activate the tool, just tap once on the button. Its color will change to orange to indicate that it is activated. You can then add a lesion at any organ on the screen, just by tapping once. As long as the tool is activated, you can place as many lesions as you want. You can also add lesions to the abdominal wall to represent peritoneal carcinomatosis. When you are done, to deactivate the tool, just tap once on the button. Its color will change to indicate that the tool is no longer active. The Cad Tool is located at the bottom left of the screen. Tap once and the button color will change to orange to confirm activation. There are two cut modes in Sutures. On the small bowel and the colon, you can cut anywhere you want. To do so, just drag your finger where you want to cut. For instance here, I cut the small bowel and the transverse colon to reproduce a right colectomy. Note that now it created a real cut on the screen and the segments are no longer communicating. Be aware, as long as the Cad tool is activated, it will cut whenever you touch the screen. So use the tool precisely and with caution. There is no undo button in Sutures. On the other organs, when the Cad tool is activated, new lines appear. They indicate where you can use the Cad tool on these organs. For example, if I want to perform a segment 2 liver resection, I will drag my finger and follow this line. Remember these green lines? They allow to fix the organs. They act like mesos or ligaments. Here, I will have to cut this green line, connecting the liver to the diaphragm, to complete my resection. When my resection is complete, I will need to remove the resected organs from the screen. To do so, I will choose the Pathology Box tool. I tap once on the button, then I tap once on the parts I would like to remove. The application is smart enough to recognize which parts are resected and remove them from the screen. You can't make disappear any parts unless it is completely separated from the other organs. Here I will remove the right colon and the segment 2 of the liver. Now I need to create an anastomosis between the small bowel and the colon to complete my surgery. I will move the small bowel to put it in front of the colon. I can make any type of anastomosis I want. End-to-end connection, side-to-side connection, or end-to-side connection. Let's make a side-to-end connection here. I place the organ in the correct position in front of each other. I will first need to close the end part of the small bowel. To do so, I will activate the Close tool, then tap once on the edge of the bowel. Note the graphical change that happened. To create the side-to-end anastomosis, I will need to activate the Connect tool, then tap quickly, once on the small bowel and once on the colon to create the connection. These small lines mean that the connection was performed. Now, if I try to move the small bowel, it is really connected to the colon. I just completed my surgery. By using the tools in Sutures, you can clearly reproduce almost all digestive surgical procedures in a very ludic and interactive way. Thank you for watching.